Today is Tuesday, August 23rd, and this morning in our devotional, it says the omnipresence of God. So let's see what that is. Psalm chapter 139, verse 7 through 10. I can never escape from your spirit. I can never get away from your presence. If I go up to heaven, you are there. If I go down to the grave, you are there. If I ride the wings of the morning, if I dwell by the furthest oceans, even there your hand will guide me. Your strength will support me. Acts chapter 17, verse 27 and 28. His purpose was for the nations to seek after God and perhaps feel their way toward Him and find Him, though He is not far from any one of us. For in Him we live and move and exist. As some of your own poets have said, we are His offspring. Proverbs chapter 15, verse 3. The eyes of the Lord are in every place, keeping watch on the evil and the good. Isaiah 57:15. For thus says the one who is high and lifted up, who inhabits eternity, whose name is holy. I dwell in the high and holy place, and also with him who is of a contrite and lowly spirit, to revive the spirit of the lowly, and to revive the heart of the contrite. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5. God has said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. And at the bottom it says, in good times we say, yes, my God is everywhere. In times of crisis, we often question where God's presence is. Can circumstances determine whether God is present? God was the gentle breeze that dried your tears, the soft rain that exhausted the runaway fire. He has always been there because Jesus came to earth. You can be comforted of God's intimate involvement in our lives. He is not only here, He is everywhere. What a comforting reality. And that is a comforting reality that He is always with us. Even when you're being tempted and choose the bad instead of the good. You willfully choose to do that sin that you're tempted by. The temptation is not a sin. It's not the temptation that's a sin. It's when you willfully choose to act on that sin. So He's always with us, even when we choose wrong. But we should have that Holy Spirit that says, hey, that's wrong, don't do that. So, but He is always with us. Good times, bad times. When we're in bad times, when we're going through stuff. I know me personally, I go through things and I don't always feel His presence, but He's always there. We have to remember He is always there, just like Job. Look what Job went through, and He was always there for Job. Always. So stay focused on Him, even in the bad times, even in the trials, even in the temptations. Stay focused on Him, and don't fall in to Satan's evil plans, because that's what Satan wants you to do. He wants you to give up. He wants you to think that God's never there, that He's not there for you in the bad times. He wants you to give up and give in to that temptation. Stay focused, guys. Short and sweet this morning. because God is always there. He is omnipresent, and I think I'm saying that right. I hope I am. But He is omnipresent. He is everywhere. He sees everything. Everything that you do. There's nothing done in secret that He doesn't know. So stay focused on Him, okay? Time is so short, and I really, really hope that we go to heaven soon. So I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Links in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope very, very soon I see you all in heaven. I do love you guys, and I am praying for each and every one of you. Love you. Have a blessed day.